Okay, here's a short addition to the probability video I made quite recently on discrete random variables. And what we're going to do is look at things where you've got some sort of kind of function going on, by which I mean it's not just straight p of x, it's p of x and some things happening. So the first one we're going to look at is p of x plus p of x1 plus p of x2. x1 and x2, what do they mean? The probabilities there mean we're going to do this function twice, and we're going to work out the sum of them. So if your numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, your numbers, when you add them up, if you've got two of them, you could have a 0 plus 0, you could get 1 by 1 plus 0, all the way up to 8 from 4 plus 4. Okay, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to calculate one of them. We're going to use number 1 as the example. So what's the probability of getting 1? How can we get 1? From 1 and 0, or 0 and 1? It's as simple as that. How do we then deal with that situation? We work out the calculation for each and then add up those two probabilities. So either first you get 1 and 0 and 1, 0 first, then 1, the other one is 1, then 0. Work out those two probabilities, you see they're symmetrical, add them up. Got some slightly different ones here as well. Probability that x is less than or equal to 3, you simply sum the probabilities that get you where you want to be. So probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3, also plus probability of 0. And then you could combine them, you create your new function x1 plus x2 and see what's the probability of that being 5, and that's just a combination of both of them. So hopefully that makes a little bit clearer what we're doing with this probability business. It's not particularly difficult. It can be a bit onerous when you have to think of all the different ways of getting, for example, like working out something like 5. You could do 3 and 2, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 1 and 4, and that's quite onerous. Generally are symmetrical, but still. Okay, let's leave it there.